Hello students, today we will discuss the keywords of the lesson Simple Electric Circuits. Look at the first keyword children, electricity. The free or controlled movement of charged particles such as electrons and ions. So this is called as electricity. You can define in another manner also. Electricity is a type of energy that powers many of our household electrical devices such as fans, lights, TVs, refrigerators, etc. You can give number of examples like this. Next one, cell. Cell is the source of electrical energy. Next one, bulb. Bulb consists of two terminals and a filament which emits light. So it will be in a glass chamber. Next, fused bulb. A bulb is said to be fused when the filament breaks and the circuit is no longer complete to make the bulb glow when electric power is supplied. That means the filament is broken so that the bulb will not glow. Then that is called as a fused bulb. Next, terminals. The end parts of a circuit in a battery or other apparatus, they are terminals. Next one is filament. It is spring-like wire attached to the two metal wires in a bulb. That is the filament. Next, switch. A switch helps to allow or break the flow of electricity in a circuit. Next, circuit. An electric circuit provides a complete path for the current to flow. Next, conductor. Substances that allow the flow of electricity through them are known as conductors of electricity. Next, insulator. Substances which do not allow the flow of electricity through them are known as insulators of electricity. Next, tungsten. The electric bulbs have a filament made up of a metal called tungsten. This tungsten has high resistance to heat. Okay children, these are the keywords of the lesson Simple Electric Circuits. Okay children, thank you.